The timber beam is subjected to a vertical shear of 1,200 pounds. Determine the largest permissible spacing S of the nails if the allowable shearing force in the nail is 75 pounds. Well, we're going to cut as it's shown. We're going to cut right here and right here. So we're going to look at this and find the Q for that, because Q is equal to F over S, and it's also equal to VQI. Now, I can be this whole shape, and this whole shape, and that whole shape. So I'm going to do that real quick. 1 over 12 times what? Times 2 to the third times 6. How much am I going to shift it? That's the area. I'm going to shift it, let's see. It's going to be at 5. The height is going to be at 5. So we want 5 minus 1. So we want to shift it 4. And there's 2 of these. The other one is already in the middle, so I don't have to shift it. And it's going to be a distance of 10 minus 6 to the third times 2. And so I is going to be what? I is going to be 1 over 12. Let me put a parenthesis there. It's going to be 1 over 12 times 2 to the third times 6 plus 12 times 16 plus 1 over 12 times 6 to the third times 2. 232. So I going to be 232 inches to the fourth. So that's my I. Now what am I going to do? Well, now let's focus on my Q. So for Q, we're going to look at this right here. So the area is going to be 2 times 2. 2 times 2. And then it's at a distance of 5 minus 1. It's at a distance of 4, right? Because this is 3, and this is another 1. Yeah, so it's at a distance of 4, so it's going to be 16 inches to the third. And then my V, vertical shear of 1,200. So my V is 1,200 pounds. So now we can say F over S equal to VQ over I. And we want to find S. So that's going to be Fi over VQ, which is equal to F is 75 pounds times I, which is 232 inches to the fourth. V is 1,200 pounds. Q is 16 inches to the third, so we'll have inches. So we're looking good. And so we're going to have 75 times 232 divided by 1,200 times 16. And I get I get the wrong answer. 0.90. So let's see, what did I do wrong? Oh, my I is wrong. My I should be much higher than what it actually is. And I wonder if I input it wrong into the calculator, because I'm not seeing any mistake. No, I forgot to multiply that by 2 with the parenthesis. So multiply that by 2, I get 428. 428. So that's right here. 428. And so if I take this and I copy it down, I get 1.67, which is the right answer. Okay, I hope this was useful, and I will see you next time.